Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to search for duplicate photos in Google Photos. And let's get started by open Google Photos application. So firstly, I try to use the search and write duplicates. As you can see, nothing. We can also I can also write duplicate, not duplicates. And as you can see, nothing. In the application we haven't a button to remove all duplicates, but we can find them. So firstly, click at the three dots at the right top, and I recommend it to set layout to months, and click at the stock similar photos here. Now we have months, so we can easily find more photos. We can easily check for more photos. And right here, if we have duplicates, right here, as you can see, I have number 3, meaning that I have stock with 3 similar photos. We can open it, and right here we have it, so you can delete some of them. And this one is the only one option, so you can scroll down and search for duplicates. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!